Dalang din. Dalang lagi ko. Okay.
Boleh sa break.
Sino mo ano? Adi. Adi. Ano ba dia?
Makeup tayo. Makeup tayo. Pabalik mo tayo. Ato po, ang sahi lang eh. Mana dia? Mana dia? Mana dia syurah?
Jadi mana terus? Tapi Ali, umong family friends, mabot ni tawag na sa imo Ali, or Ali, or yes, madam, or bye. Pero karon sa ko na tawag sa imo ako asawa. Akong pinanggan na sa'yo. Mangyari. Uy, bang binitay mo nag-uwi ka na, sino ako sa inyong na atagan ko na babae na sila ko yan kundi, o yan ko makakaslan o kamahimong inahan sa akong anak. But siyempre, may update sa inyo. Why so good? Because magsilin niya sa talisman. And all my prayers is young to back. Di madada tayo, but in God's plan and God's perfect time kayo. Thank you so much, Babe, for allowing me to be part of your life, to marry you and spend my whole life. Thank you for the unconditional love, for being yaw-yawan. Nagpalimay sa kuha, unsa ka special, unsa ka pinangga, unsa ka importante diya sa imong kinabuhi. Tungkol sa imong pagkabungangera, namulot ko as better person, better son, a better partner, diyan mo. Maybe because it's a part of God's plan, kaya iyaman kang ihatag para nako. Kung gawin ko salamat sa Ginoo, kaya inabot ka sa kinabuhi. Kung sa English pa, the most wonderful person I've ever met. I promise to trust you with all my credit cards. Imong sildo is imong sildo. Akong sildo is imong sildo. Imong sayo kaya akong sayo. Akong sayo, ako sayo. Ikaw, I promise nga, patasan pa din ako akong pasensya in difficult times. Isa usahay, tama kasi taray. I will always to choose you, to love you, to stay and to talk about our misunderstanding. I will always be at your side, whatever happens. Kung sa ihatag sa Ginoo, may kamay para sa tuwa. May the Lord guide us always as we carry our marriage life. And I love you always and forever.
I know that God gave you to me perfectly. Yes, perfectly. Ako sugdan sa kapagulong ako graduate ng Canada. I pray, always pray for life success, my sa trabaho, good health, especially sa love life. Mag-pray ko, Lord, tigaan galing ka ng malaki mga kanahin ako. Countdown sa kautulan. Please, Lord, kung wala bisyo, hindi pa nahubog.
So lucky ko, guys. Pray ka ano lang.
Mga Lord, ako hindi kayo ulit. Otherwise, wala ka na ako bumuyang na nabas mga panahubog sa mukha. That's why I pray it always now. Matawag ko ng lucky Lord na ako makauban. Forever peace ka na wala bisyo. That's why God perfectly gave me you. He answered my prayers sa walang hassle. Kaysa malabuyo ka rin naman kita. Thanks sa maternity leave na ako ka-workmate. Kaya nagkita kita. Then now, 7 years in a relationship. At first, I doubted na magbugay kang duha. Because LDR is not easy job. Before experience yung sa kanisod, away nito, away din mo correct. But then, if God's will deny, long distance is really not the hindrance of everything. Thank you for being closer to the Lord and for introducing me to the true religion. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you gihatag ako for being my sugar daddy. Because He spoiled me for everything. Thank you for the unconditional love. Also for the low patience you have kapag sabot sa ako para ihanap kamatita na nag-survive kita. O mahirap ko walas ang tanong yun. And also thank you for making me a better person in all ways. Thank you for being my lover, my best friend, my kachika in all aspects of the situation. And for being my everything. I promise to support you in all good ways, encourage you when you feel down. I promise to stand by your side through all of life's adventure, to hold your hand and to cherish you always and every day for the rest of my life. I promise to love you unconditionally and eternally and build a life together. I love you, my Bobby, for the rest of my life.
Okay, mawala ang dihuwatan eh. Kasi sila eh. Okay, sa dinig ba? Ako sabi, officially nga, makita po ka na mag-hang sila sa usahan. Okay. Five ano? Count na, five. Dili ko sila mag-ukang o kiss, sa di pa mahuman atong count na five. Dili na mahuman ko sa sila, ha? Ayaw ko ukang, basta di pa mahuman atong ihapong five. Okay, ato pa ang siguro na. Yan. Okay. Okay, ready? Mo ihapon na, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, ready? Go! Ang kiss mo ni pag-start ito ba? Okay. Wow! 2, 3, 4 and a half, 4 and 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, thank you very much. Sunod, Kenchi, ako yata pa na. Lagi na siguro. Teacher, di kayo. Sunod. Teacher, sunod. Kumana ako pa.
We are also thrilled to be with you today celebrating this beautiful commitment. We pray that your life together is and will always be filled with love, joy, and countless blessings. To everyone here, thank you for being part of this moment. Now, as we move into the part 2 of this celebration, sit back, relax, and get ready to have some fun. Let's keep the joy flowing, celebrate the newlyweds, and make some unforgettable memories together. Once again, good afternoon.
Occasion na sila today. Masaya sa ako. Yung iba po, Mr. and Mrs. Ron and Ashley are recommissioned in their words of welcome and gratitude. Pakpakan natin sila.
Mama, I remember seeing you in that dress. I remember how sweet you had somebody. Nice weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is indeed a special day. We'll forever be etched in the memory of our beloved couple. For this day marks the beginning of their new life together. From this day forward, they shall be one. And on this joyful meeting, what could be more fitting than to celebrate it with their first dance? The first dance is symbolic of the consummation of their wedding vows. This dance is the wedding couple's first cooperative engagement, enjoy and endeavor. As the saying goes, it takes two to tango. Ladies and gentlemen, this culture is once again.
You're the only God can create. Tears fill my eyes as I realize I have to give you away. You always be my little girl. And this day, it's more than just a dance. Gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you. As we dance around this
And as we proceed with the next step, we would like to present to you the monastery. We must take the name of honor and the best friend, the holy hands of our monastery. Ladies and gentlemen, this time, let's once again our newlywed for a fortune dance. So everybody, instead of pinning the envelopes for the gown and suit of our couple, you are going to hand that on the monastery that we provided. Maraming salamat.
Their love story. So, ang love story, starting while silang duha nagtrabaho sa Fairbank. Si Ate Angeline as accountant and si Kasi Ron as a collector. And then, wala, kinahon silang duha. Kaya sabi nila sa usang si Ate Angeline, ninyo ka daw. O si Kasi Ron, punta na Ate Angeline, ninyo ka po siguro din. So, paliwala ka daw ito nila. And then, naiusan ay kayo niya, nagabihan si Ate Angeline. O yan, ninangyong siya ni Kasi Ron na magpatod. Yeah, si Kasi Ron niya, nakaangkas na. So, ito kaya na, chat, nakapanguyap na yun, pinahan sa bag, chat. June 20 na to, pero matungan mas gabi, June 21 ang ilang mansari. So, karong June 21, ika 7 years na nila. Karong kami. So, after 2018, pagka 2019, nagka-LDR sila. No? Sige, simulan yan to sa Cebu, sa Angeline, nakapagod sa Negros, sa time. After 1 year ng LDR, nagandang pagsulay na niyagin ito nila. Ang mga away-away, kapit mga magulang, istorya na nagkakita po sila relasyon pero nagpabilid po sila na lingkod. O katong nakita sila ato sa So after 2019, habang ang 2020, naka-decide sila na magkuyog pagbalik o dito na sila nagtrabaho sa syudad. Bisan pa man nga nagkuyog sila, doon nagkapit mga pagsulay. Pero gihapon, ilaki na abot ang ilang pagdinig kumayon. So, for Sarah and Angeline, please raise your glass. And cheers for the newly Paul.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin ang bagong kasal. Yung mga kasalapan ng congratulations. Thank you, sir. May hapon sa kanan.
po niya ang wow. Congratulations! First, love you! Okay. Ay, ako nila. Ako lagi din. Ingon nga. Nagsugo ka na. Nagpapalayo na. Kita pasugod naman. Nagpapalayo na mo. Ang ako is mga mag-yun. And thank you. You're part of the family. Then, ano naman yun na? Pila ka? Ang ato na ay nagtungod kayo. Di ba sabi pa niya sa mga vows na naamo sa utak ko sara. So, thank you ato. Nakapasali ibay ko. And then, as inahan, ano rin nakamong ibalik at gihandom. No? Kay, at least, mag-ingon nga, a family that stays together, prays together, stays together. On then, within ako yung luman. Doon ang Matthew 7:7. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and it shall find. Knock, and it shall be open unto you. Diba? Ang nalang kita. Nakatay ka lisod, ikot ang tuhod, manayot ta, manuktot ta sa lahat kasi sa Ginoo, nga makoy mag-bless na to, even though, na ay mga kalisod, pero kung ang nakatay pasalig sa Ginoo, okay na ginatanan. Like na mo, na nakapat. Di ba ni mo, then, naman, sa kalisod, nakapa-espila, nakapa-espila, kung nakit nga nakakita. So, anak na, no? Sa mga sakripisyo, so, ay po, nga, naapod mo anak, kubad sa sa Ginoo. And then, nakapag-ibingon. And Jeremiah 23. Pagkakita sa ito, tawagon mo ako, kung ako tubag ka nimo, magpapakita o dahil kong mga bitang, mga lisod, walagahin niyo pang-ibang anak na yun. Mausagang ang ihin mo, and then ay po, nga maubod ang inyong ha. Love you po, get blessed!
Maraming. Giselle, you're laughing? Lang, how old are you, ma'am? 26. Now my question is, how long you've been together? 7 years. 7 years. Now my question is, are you ready to be his missus or not? Yes. Your name is?
Tishnel Commission.
Oh, that's not right. Say, how old are you, sir?
24.
24, you are younger than now. Alright. How long you've been together?
Turning 7 years.
37 years. Wala ba? 7 years. 37 years pa. Okay, na, sir, ha? Oh, sige. Ako pa kung ano, sir? Si ma'am na binibigong ka sa kanya, right? Si Yara, kung duwagan mo sa? Yara. Laban or dagan?
Laban.
Bakas ka or biyakan?
Bakas na.
Ulit pa, sulit lang.
Sunod po.
Sige, basic other, kababay ka mo. Sir? Kababay mo ka mo, pang-anting ka, Sir Simon. Let's have, ladies and gentlemen, to soon for the hour celebration. Let us now proceed to the next part of this one, which is the matchmaking ritual. This is a sort of game. I also know this one as mirroring. What is this one, guys? May mahimo po katulong ka-action sa katulong couple. Kamu sa buhaton sa atong future na couple. So, meaning to say, basically, kung sa ilang buhaton sa usap, ilang buhaton. Okay, balik ko sa lang, sir. Let's have the first move. Coming from our newlywed groom in lights, camera, action. Wala pa niya, bulong na sir. Sige, for the first move, ikaw mo ng first move, sir. Let's have it in lights, camera, action. Pwede, kayo, kapag pinag kayo. Sige, one more. Lights, camera, action. Kita ko, go. Kita. Ano yung go? Kasi, isa kay side kami ko. And action, go. Buka mo lang sir kayo. For the next move, let's have it coming from our right, naman siya. In lights, camera, action, go. Sana all. Kami mga video na yun, wala lang yun. Sige, ato ba? No, sorry, man. Dito, no? Dito, no? Sige, ready, let's have it. In lights, camera, action. Go, go. Tayo ka go. Hold your breath after high five. And go, ma'am. Dali, ma'am. Sino lang, hindi ka ito mababa, ma'am. And go. Now let's have the last move. Since this is the last one, it should be the sweetest, the wittiest, and the memorable move. Kamu lang buhat mag-decide, ma'am. Let's have it in lights, camera, action, go! Please begin, ma'am. 10 seconds now, 10 seconds. You ready for the last move? 10 seconds with kiss. Lights, camera, action, go! Hindi mo pingin 10 seconds, kiss ko. Okay, and go! Ipara ko. Salip pa, diba, sir? Salip, salip ko lang, go! Salip, kiss, one more! Kilig mo dito. One more, go! Salip ko lang, sir. Anak, hindi ko na. Kita mo kumain ko, di ito yung reflection. And go! Ay, sabi ko, ma'am. Sabi ko, ma'am. Ate mo mama, ma'am. Ate mo mama, anak. Ate mo mama. Wala. Ayaw, ano siya, mama? Sige, last move, and go! 1! 15 seconds, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Kailangan ka natin! Wala ka na kuman, nakita bang mo pag-ibo. Ay, ma'am, hindi ko na kayo.
Napipili ko yung
Sir, this is now your turn. At kapit, sir? Sige. Sir, yan, nakita ko siguro ni Mag-ibog sa ibong magsuot, sir, no? The same thing. You are going to put that one right here, above the knee. Right, sir, ha? And yung nakita mo pinakasigo, pinakamaso, pinakaromantic ko dance move. Sa yung future na misis. Ready? Okay, patang sabak na? Let's have Sir Neil, commission in live camera, play the music.
Oh my God!
Isa ka may ma'am, go. Isa. Grabe, nasawag ang chat ko. Isa ma'am, bunga, patatawag niya, ma'am. Sige po, sige na. Wala, taas ulit. Sige. Kasali sa bagtak. Pataas ka. Kaling mo, hindi ka maniyan, hindi ka mapataas. Okay, one more. Sige pa, hanap hirap. Sige sir, sige. And one more. O sa'yo mo nalasahan, sir. Sige. Wala pa kayo ng sir Neil. Thank you, ma'am. Picture together po. Salamat, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, sir Neil. Picture together. May award po. But of course, we're hoping and praying for your relationship, ma'am and sir, and future couple. Congrats for their future wedding celebration.
Ako may kasulti na yun. Dili kayo maglisod kasi hindi nga naglusod. Ako na nagagawa. Oo, matay ko. Hindi nga maglusod.
Thank you, sir. Nakagilungsod. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa once more, guys.
Wala, gawa ng kuans kuya, gawa ng soy. Da, bunog pala iya, bunog ni Una, perfect. Wala, hindi na kayan. Wala. Apa yung sa boto na ako, Duri.
From very beginning, Christ said, and the Alpha, and the Omega. Seryosong sinabi ng Panginoon yun. Everything happens in your life is because
Ang pagkikuban, ang pagkikuban,
salamat niya, kanino sa Russia yung veteran sa salamat kami sa mensahe ng Panginoon dito kay Hiyon na ang sunod sa mga pagkakasala na unaan nila